I hope that at some point you have heard the word wheel or wool. Either is a song like by I Will by One Direction or in a movie. Well, that is a topic of today when I will be correct the correct use will or will. We use will to refer to this point or capacity of a subject to perform an action and also to refer to actions of future state. Would is used to describe customs and to talk about hypothetical states and facts to the future, but will and would are used to make requests and offers. Now we are going to see some examples where you will help me answer them.
Which the correct answer, will or would? The first sentence is my first motorbike space run for 100 kilometers with a full tank of petrol. Kids space often play with their food before eating it. Dave space you please stop doing that. The plane space arrived at 10 o'clock.
Now we are going to see the difference between will and would. It is that will speak of something more probable, a forecast of the future, for example, and will of something more hypothetical or imaginary. They are both modal verbs, so they have no other forms. In fact, will is the past tense of will. Well, now we will start to see the way in which they are used. First, the affirmative and negative way.
The negative form for will is will plus not is often abbreviated to won't, and will plus not is often abbreviated to won't. The formula to make a sentence is subject plus will or would, or in form negative plus verb plus complement. For example, I will not work or I won't work.
And now I will teach you to use it in question form. Let's go! Word WH. Will would subject plus verb plus complement. Example. Will you help me? Would you bring me another cup of coffee? Will is often used to make an offer and ask someone if they are willing to do something. Example. Will you lend money so I can buy a computer? Would is used in the preterite form or will and to politely ask someone if they are willing to do something. Example. Excuse me, could you stop smoking, please? Will is used in the affirmative, negative, and interrogative to talk about the ability of a subject to do something. In this case, we generally talk about a machine or other objects. Example. This car will hold 30 liters of petrol. My bike is broken. It won't work. We use would in the same way to talk about the past. Example. My first mobile phone battery will last for 3 days with one recharge. We use will in the affirmative and negative to talk about the repeated and habitual behavior. Example. Chris will often hide something from his parents and then forget where it is. When the subject of the verb is a person, the use of will often suggests that the speaker is mildly annoyed by the action. Example: he is very bright, but he will frequently interrupt me during the lesson. We use would in the affirmative or negative to talk about customs and past habits. Example: when I was younger, I would play football until very late at night.
Do the following exercise and copy them in your notebook.
I hope you had fun and learned a lot about this long but necessary topic. Remember that in the credits of this video you will find the answers to the exercise that we made. So have a good day and see you in the next video. Bye!